Okay. Time management. Time management work schedules define public holiday classes. We've already done this, I guess. Time management. Public holiday classes. Factory calendar. Okay. There's subgroup groupings. Then, okay. Now this is assign. Okay. Next is holiday classes. Uh, Caltex. Caltex. Public holiday calendar. CX. For factory, we can have another calendar. For office, we can have a separate calendar. But we've kept it simple and we are just going with one variant. But of course, companies will have their own way of defining holiday calendars for their offices. Okay. Personal area. Where do I fit this? Save. Next, set work schedule rules and work schedules. Employee subgroup. Position C. High noon. No, I don't need high noon. Benetton. Okay, okay. 77. Best way high noon TG. Okay. What we'll do is we'll just copy it. Employee subgroup grouping. Caltex. Calendar CX. 77 is our variant that we just discussed. Work schedule rule. Okay, work schedule rule. CX01. Daily working hours will be 8, weekly working hours will be 44, weekly work days will be 6 or 5, monthly working hours will be this. Period work schedule. Caltex. Okay. 01.01/2024. Okay. And this will be 24. Rule for day types again. Rule which is blank and public holidays. Apply. Copied. Save. And save. So we're reaching somewhere. Okay. It. S grouping, ES, employee subgroup groupings. Employee subgroupings. Caltex. Okay. Work schedule rules and work schedules define groupings for public holiday calendar. Set work schedule rules and work schedules. Okay, let me just take a snapshot of this also. These are basically references we are creating so that you can easily practice all of this. Okay, next is work schedule rules and work schedules. Work schedules and work schedule rules and work schedule define grouping for public holiday calendar. We've already done that. Set work schedules, set work schedule rules. This is the next one. Okay, employee subgroup. C, Caltex. Okay, okay. Next is set works for new entries. We've already done this. We've already done in the previous step. Let's go ahead. And personal area text. Yes, holiday classes and holiday classes. Fair enough. Generate work schedules manually. Holiday calendar CX personal sub area grouping. Now you cannot remember this. Even I can't remember it. Okay, this will be 77 and work schedule. We defined this and we defined it already in the last step. Calendar month 01 2024 to 12 2024. And create, save 12 times to save for create. Okay, now we'll save it 12 times for January to December 12 times. Okay. And we'll do the same for 25 as well. Okay, how much is left? Create that. Next is data plan working time. So let's do that in the next one then.